I love you, Daddy. You're getting tall, Little Bear, said Daddy Bear. Big enough to come climbing with me. Little Bear's eyes opened wide in surprise. Really? Come on, let's try, said Daddy Bear, leading Little Bear to a giant tree. Little Bear tried to scramble up onto the lowest branch. He tumbled backward. Daddy Bear nudged Little Bear. Daddy Bear tugged Little Bear. You can do it, he whispered. And then all at once Little Bear found that he could. I love Daddy, thought Little Bear. You're getting brave, Little Bear, said Daddy Bear. Brave enough to collect honey with me. Little Bear gulped. Really? Come on, let's try, said Daddy Bear, pointing to a tree with a big hole in the trunk. Little Bear reached out his paw. A furious buzzing filled his ears in the air. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Little Bear pulled his paw back. Don't be scared, Daddy Bear said. You have thick fur. The bees can't hurt you. You can do it, he smiled. And then all at once Little Bear found that he could. I love Daddy, thought Little Bear. Did I do well today? Little Bear asked on the way home. You did, replied Daddy Bear. I'm very proud of you. Soon Little Bear and Daddy Bear reached home. Little Bear felt very tired, but there was something he wanted to say. I love you, Dee, began Little Bear, but he didn't finish. Daddy Bear stroked Little Bear's head. I love you too, he said. Zzz. The end. I love you, Daddy. Little Bear is ready for some grown-up adventures. He needs a helping hand, and who better to give it than Daddy Bear?